Okay. This is a test to see how this PC will do. We currently have a EVGA XR1 Pro USB HDMI capture device plugged in. It's plugged into a USB 2.0 port, so it limits our output options. It won't give us full resolution. USB 2.0 doesn't have the bandwidth that it needs, so it's kind of gimped on that regard. But it is capturing a ultra wide resolution, so it's reading 3440 by 1440, and the canvas in OBS is currently set to 2560 by 1080p, so that's an ultra wide resolution. QHD, I think called. I don't remember. Hey, Sneaky Neek, how are you? Hi, you gonna say hi? Sneak says hi. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of Star Citizen and see how she handles
The
it.
next shuttle is approaching the station.
Ooh, we should do a test. Well, no, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what's going out to the capture card. It matters how the capture card is reading it, storing it.
The next shuttle is approaching the station.
We have 0 dropped frames.
Last call for passengers. The shuttle is preparing to depart.
I will pull up the stats here in just a minute, and we'll see how she does.
Please clear the hatch. Shuttle will
So
be
let's
departing.
go docs, stats. Okay. We have dropped 0 frames due to rendering lag and 0 frames due to encoding lag. We have dropped 0 frames as far as network. So all in all, she's doing just fine. This is using a Logitech HD camera over here. Those cam. And then, of course, the display you're seeing. Obviously, there's not a bunch of effects and stuff overlaying the screen right now. I don't have this linked to StreamerBot. This is just running on the PC that I was going to send your way. So we'll give it a bit of a test and see how she does. I am just running a simple RN noise remover filter on the audio in. I don't want to load it down with a bunch of videos and effects and stuff because it's probably going to get wiped, to be truthful. All in all, it seems like it's doing pretty good. Audio, I kind of had to patch it in. I'm using the microphone in connection on the XR1 Pro. So that's functioning for the audio capture in. This computer has an... This computer...
Please prepare to disembark.
The computer has a audio out and a line in,
Last call for passengers.
but for whatever reason,
shuttle is
it's
preparing
not
to depart.
reading input from that device. I'm not sure why. I have to play with it later. My primary goal was to see how it handled all of this.
The shuttle is preparing to depart.
And I'll be honest with you, dropping even a SATA SSD in on this thing really helped it. Let's bring up our performance monitor and see how she's doing. Let me get out of this elevator first. Okay. Obviously, you're not going to be able to see this. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe you can. Let's do a window capture. And we're going to say Task Manager. Oh, it's not letting me capture it. Well, that sucks. Let's see if we can do a desktop capture. And we will trim it out. Yeah, that'll work just fine. So we'll hold down Alt. And we'll trim this out. So that you're only seeing this right here. There you go. There. Now you'll get a better idea of how the PC is responding to this. our GPU usage, and believe it or not, that's the integrated GPU. There we go. That'll be better. We still have 0 frames due to drop, network, and encoder and render lag. So she's doing okay. Our CPU usage is sitting at 20% right now. Wow, GPU sitting at about 50. That's awesome. Holy crap, I think this will be just fine. She seems like she'll be just fine. Alright, we got 5 minutes of video here. Only thing else I could think of to do would be to run some kind of video locally. But I don't have anything I could transfer over. See, I don't have any sharing on this computer right now. So the only way I could transfer any video or file would be to copy it to a USB stick and then put it on there and then have it run in the background. But honestly, I think you'd be just fine. I mean, this is doing a video capture. It's doing webcam capture. I mean, I'm not seeing any stutters, any lags. Everything is groovy on this. Wow. Okay. I think we're going to call this a success. Oh, wait, nope. I need to pull this up and see.
On your movie glass.
Could not access the specified channel stream key. Please double click your stream key. What? It's saying it can't access my Twitch account. All right, let's stop.